So here we have a Raymond pallet jack truck, one that you can walk on, or a pallet jack truck that you can stand and ride on. It's a double truck where you can pick up 2 skids. And the customer says that sometimes when they travel, it cuts out when they turn left or right. So let's see what's going on. And just for video editing, I went on and ordered a new wire harness. A nice red plug connector. So I removed the black sleeve cover, which is right here. And as you can see, some of these wires that come down, some of them are pinched, kinked, some of them are twisted like that one in the back. And when they turn the truck on the drive unit, left and right, kinks up in here and it shuts off. So we're going to replace the whole wire harness. Main thing is we're just going to start unplugging the old connectors, like right here, and just start plugging them in to the new connectors, which is right here. We're going to unplug the encoder, temperature, and the control handle switch for your control handle. Remove the wire harness from the key switch. It runs down the traction amp, and then we're going to unplug the red plug connector. And you pull everything out real careful. You might have some wire cutters so that you can unclip some wire ties and move things out the way. So let's go ahead and remove the old harness. That's the old harness. Now we're going to install a new one. You just start at the main red 36-pin plug connector. Follow your wires all the way through with the new harness and start plugging it in. So here's the new harness right here. So we want to plug that in. Then we run the new harness up over the control amp. And this is going to your key switch and your grab bar plug connectors. You run the harness on over to here. Comes down. You plug in your pump, which is right here. Solenoid valve, right here. And your contactor cord. That goes through these wires that you ran over. Then we go back to the main plug connector. Take these wires here and they run through the truck on over to the drive motor side. They come around and we're going to plug in the encoder, which is right here, temperature, and that's for your control handle. That's all in that wire harness there. Now after I fastened the wires down so they won't move, you got to have some play because this drive unit turns. So you kind of just got to feed the wires in so that you have clearance when they're turning. Everything looks like it's plugged up. Everything's plugged up over here. Check your fuse. You got some wire plugged into here. So it's pretty much plug and play. So let's plug the truck in, turn it on and see what happens. Connect the battery. Hear the horn beep. We come up to the control handle. And the battery voltage, even though it's upside down, it's 99%. So I'll turn it around. You can see it. 99%. So the truck is up and running. So let's pull the handle down and see what happens. Here the line contactor pulls in. That clicking noise, I said it wrong. That was the line contactor. We should have travel. And there we have it. And that is how you install the wire harness on a Raymond PE pallet end rider or walkie style type of truck. And keep in mind, it is a walkie because you can stand on this platform and ride on it. So it's a walkie rider or whatever analogy you want to use. Basically, the wire harnesses is plug and play. So you always start with the red wire, with the big red terminal wire connector, which is right there. You start with that, and you just start plugging the wires in, and make your way to the various components. And there's a brake switch on this side. Three plug connectors here, 2 plug connectors back here, and up to the key switch. And that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. And again, thanks for watching.